Hey guys, my name is Kaila Kake. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me, a 3-in-1, showing you guys how I just popped out for the fall. Okay, this is my first fall outing and you know I had to come with a look. So I came with a simple, nice, natural beat face makeup. And then for my outfit, I gave him a little pop of color, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is a 3-in-1. I'll also be doing my hair too and showing you guys my skincare. So maybe like a 4-in-1 almost. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. Y'all already know the drill. So I did wash my hair and everything. I just dried it in a t-shirt. Girl, she's looking like a wild child, but we're gonna tame her. But in the meantime, I'm gonna do my skincare. So I haven't done my skincare on camera in I don't even know how long, y'all, okay? But these are the products that I go for. These are my holy grails. I love each and every one of them. I'll link all of them down below. I usually go with a serum, then a moisturizer, then SPF, and then I'll start putting my makeup on and stuff. Well, I'll kind of let that sit, and then I'll either prime. Sometimes I really don't prime, but I did prime in this video. I'll show you guys what I use, but I usually like just let my skincare kind of soak into my skin, and then I just do my hair. So I recently started doing oil in the middle of my head just because the crown of my head is so dry, okay? It is actually nasty. So I'll just put some oil in there and kind of massage it in, and then I'll start the rest of my hair. So I'll just use some gel. This is the Argan Oil Styler one, and I'll just brush that through, smooth her down. We're doing a kind of low slick bun with no part. I've been feeling this no part, low bun action. I don't know what it is, okay? I'm hooked. But I'm just going to smooth my hair out with my two brushes, my Denman brush and then the boar bristle brush. And then we just going to get her all nice and slick. Throw a scrunchie on that thing. And then I'm also going to moisturize my ponytail because we don't want her to be like extra dry and crusty, okay? We want it to actually have some moisture. This is a protective style, so I want my hair to actually be like soaking in leave-in conditioner while while it's in a bun. So on to why this is a voiceover really quick, y'all. I was literally so pissed filming this because, number one, I was on time until my shower decided to break and hit me in the head and then bounce off my head and hit me in the back. And then, yeah, it was just a hot mess. So I had to shower with like one hand. It was so confusing, y'all. It was just crazy. And my shower head is still not even fixed like a few days later because, shit happens, okay? Like, I don't even know what's going on right now, but yes, I'm just going to start my makeup off and, hopefully I don't have a concussion from the freaking shower head hitting me in the daggone head, okay? I am so, I'm shook, y'all. Y'all should have just seen, actually, no, you shouldn't have seen me because y'all would have just laughed and made me a meme, so, yeah, no. But I'm just going to use my foundation. This is my favorite concoction. I also concoct my concealer as well. I use two different concealers, but it looks like a lot of makeup, but I swear it's not. I just use a little bit of both and just mix them together on my face. And yeah, like I said, I'll link everything down below. I'm using the Too Faced and as well as, oh yeah, I found a mole on my face, which means, y'all, I'm getting old, okay? Like when you start finding moles on your face, it's over, sis. So yeah, but I'm just blending out my concealer. I'm using the Mercier and the Too Faced. I think it's the Multi-sculpting one. And I'm mixing them together. Okay, so now for powder, I'm using my Mercier. This is my holy grail, y'all already know. And I'm just kind of like setting my eye. I'm not baking or anything. I'm literally gonna just tap it all in. Like I don't bake or anything. And also this whole routine is flashback free. So sis, take notes and check my Instagram story. Not Instagram story, what? My Instagram post of this outfit, you'll see the makeup is flashback approved, okay? And I'm using my Milk Makeup bronzing stick. Y'all, I didn't used to bronze with like cream products and stuff, but this thing is fire, okay? Like I literally love this thing to death. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and keep blending that in with my beauty blender. And then I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Sephora Microsmooth. That is what really gets that whole look to be flashback friendly, okay? Like, we ain't doing no flashback in here, okay? Like, not ever again with the Sephora Microsmooth. So then I'm going to go ahead and set the bronzer with my Fenty Island Ting bronzer. And I'm gonna just like go around the perimeter of my face, my nose, etc. You know, just give me some warmth. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows, and I use a variety of products, to be honest. It's really in between the itCosmetics and the e.l.f. brow pencil. Like I said, I'll link it all down below. But really quick, just showing you guys how I do my eyebrows, because it's a really quick process now, because I finally got my eyebrows to look like good without any product. So now we're doing blush. Y'all, I never used to be a blush girl, but I literally am obsessed. Like, I don't know what it is, but I just need blush. And then I'm going to go ahead and highlight as well, give you a nice little glow so I can blind a few people in the restaurant. So then I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. This stuff is so light on your face that you really don't even feel it on your face. So it's easy to go overboard, like me. I'm literally soaking wet right now. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do some mascara. I do like 800,000 coats of mascara. So I'm not even going to hold y'all. I only included this little clip because I literally go in and I be taking like 5 minutes to do my mascara. It's actually ridiculous. But yeah, moving on. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. And you guys always ask me my lip combo. This is my favorite lip liner ever. It's called New Truffle from NYX. It's my holy grail. I have like 5 backups. Okay, I have like 3 in my purse, and just, okay, I got them everywhere. And then I'm going to go ahead and use a clear gloss with it. That's all I do. Brown liner and clear gloss. If I can't find this lip liner, I'll either use brown from NYX, or I think it's BFF3 from ColourPop, and a clear gloss, and boom, we're good. So yeah, guys, on to the vlog. Hey guys, so I'm in Georgetown right now. I'm just waiting for my friends and putting my shoes on. Okay, she's trying to serve looks, period. So I'll show you guys my outfit in a second. But yeah, I'm just waiting for my friends to come on this street because there's like some good parking over here. So we just gonna wait on these girls, because and this man that parked right here, like, he keeps walking past his car, and I'm like, are you gonna move your car or not? Like, what's tea? Like, he's walked past his car 3 times already, but he has headphones on now. Like, I'm so confused. Like, what are you doing? Y'all know how it is when you trying to put on shoes while you in the driver's seat. It's just not a good combo. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this natural look and my outfit and everything. Like I said, everything is tagged on my Instagram as far as the outfit goes, and everything is down below as well as far as the makeup goes. So yeah, make sure you hit the subscribe button, watch some other videos, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.